CoConstruct is a powerful tool that helps you manage daily logs and workflows with ease, making construction project management much simpler and more efficient. If you're in the construction business, you know how chaotic things can get deadlines, budgets, teams, and tasks all need to align. That's exactly where CoConstruct steps in. Stick with me through this video, and you'll discover how CoConstruct can help you streamline your day-to-day operations and ensure that your projects stay on track. First off, CoConstruct allows you to keep detailed, up-to-date daily logs. Instead of scribbling notes on a piece of paper or trying to remember what happened on site, you can capture everything in real time, directly from your phone or tablet. You can easily document weather conditions, worker hours, materials used, and any delays or issues that came up throughout the day. This keeps everything organized, reduces the risk of miscommunication, and provides a clear record you can refer to anytime. Next thing, let's talk about how CoConstruct helps you manage your workflows. It has a feature that lets you track the progress of each task on your projects, making it easy to assign work to your team, set deadlines, and monitor progress. If there's a delay or a task is completed ahead of schedule, you'll be the first to know. This level of oversight makes it simpler to adjust timelines, keep things moving, and ensure that your projects stay on track without missing a beat. The third thing I want to highlight is CoConstruct's seamless communication tools. You'll never be left in the dark again when it comes to project updates. The platform allows you to send and receive messages directly within the software, meaning that important updates or changes are communicated quickly and efficiently to your team. Plus, it integrates with your calendar, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or meeting. The fourth thing CoConstruct does incredibly well is helping you manage client selections and change orders. Clients can easily make selections for things like finishes and materials, and these decisions are tracked and stored right within the software. Plus, any change orders are automatically updated in the project budget and schedule, so everyone stays on the same page. Lastly, CoConstruct helps you generate reports with just a few clicks. Whether you need to review the day's logs, check on the status of tasks, or evaluate the project's financials, CoConstruct can produce detailed reports that give you the insights you need. These reports help you make informed decisions and keep your project running smoothly without any surprises. I've covered a lot here, but there's more to CoConstruct that you can take advantage of. And as I mentioned at the start, you can use this software completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonus offer, you'll have even more tools at your disposal to optimize your workflow. If you've been struggling with project management and are looking for a solution that brings everything into one easy-to-use platform, CoConstruct might just be what you need. Remember, the link below gives you an extended free trial, so don't wait. Check it out and start improving your workflow today.